Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Steam achievements not showing up. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to completely close Steam. So go to System Tray, right click on it, and then here exit Steam. Should be no tasks of Steam in Task Manager. After you do so, then you just need to write run on search, and then you just need to write %local app data %. Look for Steam folder here, and then right click and delete this folder. Don't worry, it's just the cache files. It won't affect your games or your Steam. And then run again Steam and look if the problem persists. But now it should fix your problem. But if the problem do not persist, then you just need to go to installed apps and uninstall Steam. Just press uninstall, and after you install, then search on Google how to download it and reinstall it, and it should work. So that's pretty much it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.